attitude. Pag may bago natin yan, lahat yan susunod. Yung pananamit, pananalita, pagkapatao. Of course, ang gusto rin ni Senator Manny, yung mga Pilipino kasi kami po.
Filipino icons unite through their passion for billiards. The game becomes more than a sport. It becomes a legacy. Esteemed billiards icons acknowledge Pacquiao's seriousness in the game. Fearless, dedicated, and excellence becomes the name of the game.
The comedy has brought her all over the world, to Australia, and all over the United States, Asia.
Pangit sa TV pero maganda sa personal. Tama ba, every bata? Welcome to this very, very special and one-of-a-kind celebration, parade, and reveal! Merry Chris C. Hansel to share with us the world-class experience that Pac-Man's Q Club has to offer. Let's give a round of applause to Merry Chris Hansel.
Thank you, Ms. Giselle. Actually, I wasn't ready to be the first person to speak here between our CEO, si Kati Mauro. Nonetheless, nagkakahan ko ba kayo sa PCC? So, for our tournament ending on August 3rd.
How much is the prize?
Guaranteed 2 million pesos.
2 million pesos! Palakpakan naman dyan, mga kaibigan! 2 million pesos!
So with that, it is basically a walkthrough as to what PCC has to offer. To everyone, please come enjoy and visit PCC.
Wow, thank you very much. And at this point, let's make this occasion even more meaningful. Dito ko na sasabihin, di ba? By hearing the words of wisdom and inspiration from one of our very important guests. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to invite not just a distinguished leader, but also a strong supporter of the sports community to share his inspirational message to all of us. Mga kaibigan, let's give a warm round of applause to our content creator, 2.3 million followers, and the founder of RDR Business Solutions and vlogger. He is a vlogger and the founder of RDR Business Solutions. Please, him on stage. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause to vlogger Raymond De Los Reyes.
Uptime ko yan!
Raymond, before you give your speech, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved Senator Manny Villar. I miss you. Thank you very much for your time. Truly, this is an honor kasi talaga idol mo po, of course, niya. Any message for him, baka biglang aalis ka na. Kilala kita eh.
Talaga hindi ko naman malinis na birthday niya. Matagal na rin kami nagkasama nito nung kumakampanya ako presidente. Ito yung kasama ko doon. Hindi ako naglalaro dahil nanonood na ako. Ang galing ito eh. Pero the help that he gave me, I will never forget. Kaya kung hindi natin nakakalimutan ang tulong ng isang kaibigan.
Thank you very much, Senator Manny Villar. And now, let's all listen to our vlogger who has 2.3 million followers, Raymond De Los Reyes.
Yes, hello. Good afternoon to everyone. Ayan, Champ, happy birthday sa'yo. 71st birthday mo na. Pero meron ako sanang gustong ipakitang picture sa'yo. Pwede ba yung isang picture na lang? Doon sa screen, Champ, tingnan mo lang ha. Doon, tingnan mo. Champ. Yan yung isa pang picture. May sinunta ko isa pa eh. Yung isa pa. Mas matanda ka dyan. Mas bumata ka ngayon. Hindi, anyway, para ho sa mga hindi ho nakakakilala sa akin, I'm a content creator for business owners. No? So yung nakikinig po sa akin, puro mga negosyante, mga may negosyo, may ino-operate na mga kung ano-ano mga entity. No? Sabi ko kasi ng marami, para sa mga kapwa ko bilyarista, sana kapulutan natin ng inspirasyon to. Noong panahon ko kasi namin, sabi, kapag ka ikaw daw ay nagbibilyar, eh wala ka raw mararating sa buhay. Kasi karaniwan, ang mga bilyarista, standby, basagolero, sugarol, lahat ng mga klase siguro mga negatibong mga pupwedeng itawag sa bilyarista. So ako po, para po sa inyong kalaman, no, at the age of 16 years old, nag-uumpisa na po ako manood ng bilyar. At meron po kaming backstory ni Champ Efren Batares. Ano yun? Kung familiar po kayo doon sa pelikula ng Partners, for sure naaalala ni Champ Efren yan. Noong panahon ho na sinushoot po yung
The first signed copy goes to no less than the legend himself, Mr. Because today it's not just about the grand opening of Pac-Man Street Club. It's not only about the launching of the book of the magician. Ngayong gabi, we will celebrate another milestone of our honorees journey. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, this year marks the 71st birthday of the one and only legend, our inspiration, Mr. Efren Batares. Let's all stand up and sing him a happy, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Everybody, let's all sing! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sir Efren, ito po bang nakakalimutan? Make a wish? Tapos kunyari na lang may candle, tapos bulong ka na lang. Wish ka na lang. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Ayan! Happy, happy birthday! To break the rank and mark the start of history here at PCC. Ayan na, hinahanda na. Mapapanood niyo po mga tubo there. Mapapanood niyo po sa LED walls. Huwag lang po natin tatakpan ang ating mga LED walls. At inuulit po natin, meron pa po mga upuan sa likod. At meron po mga LED walls sa likod. So you can watch the program via our LED. just a symbolic shot. Mamaya may tricks pa. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Ang galing talaga. Shoot agad. Ngayon naman, si Cap Marlo naman. Trick shots that we are doing. Wow! Grabe, parang namamangnan lang. Yung mga bola dire-diretso. Everyone, please focus your eyes on the screen because you know, syempre minsan-minsan lang natin nakakasama ang ating minamahal si Efren Batangas to see him do all of these extraordinary tricks is just truly amazing. There you go. So let us see the magician make his move with these amazing tricks. Focus your eyes on our LED screen as the magician waves his wand. One more. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The symbolic shot to formalize the opening of the Pac-Man Q4. Pagkatapos po nito, after this, sabay-sabay pong palakpakan. 1, 2, 3! Yes! Palakpakan! Our symbolic shot!
Nagpudot perfect.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bethana! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat dahil ito po ay special day para sa ating legend, the magician, Efren Bata. Ito po ang aming kantang ginawa para po sa
Hindi malamig.
ating Lodi, the birthday celebrant, Efren Bata.
Plate.
Ito po ay sinulat ni Sir Ferdy Gomez. So once again, good evening ladies and gentlemen.
Plato nga.
Kami ang Plato na. And
Plato,
it's Efren
pagalan.
Bata Reyes, Billiard King of all time. Upang sa hirap ay makaahon, tunay na ganap na isang
hindi namamatay.
Ayos na siguro naman yun. Hindi ko rin kaya pang tatlong buwan na yun. Ano ba? Ano ba yan? Lisin ba? 5 liters na ba ganun?
4.5.
Kung dalawang tao na yung ganyan panglabas na. Sigurado yun, pagkatapos, increase na yun. Pagkain sila ng motma.
Sinaya ko. Masarap na
Bata.
Kung dalawang tao na yung ganyan panglabas na. Sigurado yun, pagkatapos, increase na yun. Pagkain sila ng motma.
Sinaya ko. Masarap na
Bata.
Scratch. Sabi ko na eh. Ina. Perfect. Masaya siya. Laglag. Ah, galing. Score. 1-2. Dennis, may barya ka?
Dalawang 50 pa?
Oh, sige po. Kung may coins po kayo, pwede na. Thank you.
kayo. Oh. Siguro overnight dito ako.
Ang gamit ko yung pala.
Apa mau dia sayang? Hindi naman wala eh. Ang dami camera. I love it. Ah, subdivision. Yan, may nakita ko.